Hey there fellow ChatGPT enthusiasts. In today's video I'm going to show you how to join ChatGPT Discord communities. If you're ready to connect with like-minded individuals and discuss all things ChatGPT, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into your Discord account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you've logged in, head over to chat.openai.com. This will take you to the ChatGPT webpage. On the ChatGPT webpage, look for the bottom left-hand corner where it says OpenAI Discord. This Discord server is perfect place to engage with ChatGPT community. Click on OpenAI Discord and accept the invite prompt on Discord. If you're not already logged into Discord, you'll be prompted to log in or create an account. Follow the steps to log in, and once you've done that, you should see a message at the bottom of the screen indicating that you need to complete a few more steps before you can start chatting. To proceed, follow down and read through the rules and guidelines. Once you familiarise yourself with them, check the box that says I have read and agreed to the rules and click Submit. Additionally, you'll need to verify your account. Click on the Verify By option and either enter the code shown on the screen in a series of characters unique to your verification process. Enter the code and click Submit. Congratulations, you're now verified. With the verification process complete, you can now explore the ChatGPT discussions and start engaging with the community. Feel free to share your thoughts, ask questions and connect with other ChatGPT enthusiasts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to guide you through the ChatGPT Discord journey. Thanks for tuning in and happy chatting in the ChatGPT Discord community. We look forward to seeing you there.